one of my favorite stories from many years ago. This gentleman owned a retail business, a lot of used products. And he was a gentleman that he worked hard. He worked really hard. So he was in his late 50s at the time when I first met him. And for at least 10, 15 years, he had never made more than $22,000 in any given year. 22,000, that was it, okay? It got so bad that his wife had to go back to work. We had a vision. So talked about doing, the S corporation thing and saving tax dollars there just by doing that for saving some payroll taxes. In addition to that, I taught him basically how to read financial statements. She'd never been taught before. He had no idea. And so I said, okay, there's like 4 or 5 numbers that he had that were really, key for his business. We took that, and he was kind of goal-oriented, and he got so good at it that he would say, did I meet my goals? And he'd look at them and stuff, and if he didn't, he'd work and hard and whatever else. So within 3 years, remember, he's only made $22,000 in any given year. Within 3 years, we got him switched. He got successful enough that he was able to buy his own facility to work out of. Between his paycheck, the net rents after the mortgage, and his pension plan, and the dividends that he was getting from his business, those 4 things, after 3 years, he cleared about $170,000. So when I meet with a brand new prospect or client, we're going to sit down and we're going to talk about where's today? What does it look like? Try and get a lay of the land and what they're doing today, and make sure that we're on the same page, and make sure that what's in my mind is the same as what's in the prospect's mind, so that we can kind of make a plan and go forward with that. At some point in time after that first statement of review, we're going to have a business development meeting. And that meeting is pretty intensive, truthfully, and stuff. Usually they last an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. And we're going to sit down and we're going to talk about all sorts of corners of your business. Things that have nothing to do with accounting sometimes, but it's just various parts of your business, like what is the plan? What is the products that you do? What are the pieces that you're doing? Is this kind of seat of your pants, and just your knowledge based upon the industry? What are you doing to keep up with your knowledge and keep fresh and keep current with everything? All of that stuff is part of this business development meeting. And it's way beyond numbers, but there's numbers also too. Usually by the end of the business development meeting, you have action plans. So short, medium, and long-term goals. Let's look at your business today. Let's use today. We'll put like a break-even analysis together. I say, well, let's get on a page, let's get a plan, and try and work through those things and get you on a path that's a clear path that you can move forward with. Get on a path, get going. Look at it and try and look out the front and have a clear destination that they can run to. And then it's kind of up to them to try and say, let's make it happen. That's all I can do is say, here we go. Can we make those dreams come true?